pieces of your loving. We was young and you was out there clubbing. Hate to be the topic of this.
Yeah, want me back. I know they want me back. I see them down and out.
Hey guys, GraphicFlow here, and in this video I'll be checking out a 2-port USB plug and an UNBREAKcable from Syncwire. So with all that said, let's start the video. The 2-port USB wall plug comes in this brown box, which has a sticker with the model name and the specifications. Inside the box you find a quick start guide and a thank you card. You get the 2-port USB plug, UK wall adapter and an EU adapter. The US prongs are built into the plug itself. That's why it's called a 3-in-1 interchangeable plug. Attaching the adapters is really simple. Just line it up and slide it in. It's really simple to take out as well. On the bottom of the plug you get the specifications and the mini logos. The color of the specifications is a really dull color, which is good as it doesn't stand out. The Syncwire logo is also on the front. All UNBREAKcables come in this thin black box. Both sides have the length of the cables in feet and meters. The back section has the key details of the cable. Inside the box you find this plastic storage compartment, which is very unique to see, as most cables come cable tied. The rear side has a thank you message, as well as warranty information and the social medias. My first thoughts of this cable was that it is very sturdy and robust. The Syncwire logo is engraved on the ends. A small white tab tells us that it was designed by Syncwire and made in China. This cable can withstand at least 30,000 cycles of 90-degree bends and hold up to 125 kilograms or 275 pounds. I used the micro USB UNBREAKcable and the USB plug together. As you can see, the USB plug emits this light blue LED light, which for me is really good as I can see the plug is on from a distance. Overall, I am really impressed with both of these products. The USB plug is a safe and affordable gadget. The plug is a must-have, as normal plugs only give you one USB port. The UNBREAKcable is Syncwire's most popular product, as it's affordable and reliable. They offer this cable for micro USB devices like my one, Type-C and Lightning. Both of the products give you a fast charge. If you are looking to replace, please get both of these products. Trust me, you will not get disappointed. As well, you do get lifetime warranty on all of their products. Thanks for watching the video. This has been GraphicFlow, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.
Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. Not the same, we're not the same. We're not the same, we're not the same. They creeping right, creeping left.